Congestion is a modern nightmare. In the USA alone, people waste nearly 15 million hours stuck in traffic every day. Congestion is draining our fuel, money, and health. So getting more commuters using public transportation more often is more urgent than ever. But if we're to break our addiction to the car, bus companies must offer complementary alternatives to current fixed-route models, such as flexible public transport that picks up and drops off riders where they want to be and when they want to be there. Optibus already has the answer. With a cloud-based, customer-proven, real-time scheduling optimization solution that creates schedules at lightning speed. With Optibus on Schedule, bus operators interactively plan the most cost-effective schedules, saving millions of dollars. With Optibus on Time, they predict problems before they occur and make dynamic adjustments to schedules in real time. And soon, with Optibus On Demand, operators will have the flexibility to complement fixed route service with door-to-door or corner-to-corner services, especially efficient when using autonomous vehicles. Public transportation that works for everyone. Optibus, moving the world smarter.